Hello student, today we will do question number 4 from exercise 2 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See, question is, a man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years. If the rate of interest is 12% per annum and the man gets rupees 10,206 on maturity, find the value of monthly installments. So we have to find monthly installments. So we will use this formula. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. On this formula we will put value. This is maturity value is 10,206 equal to P. We have to find P. N is 3.5 years, means 3.5 years, 36 and 6, 42 months plus P into N is 42, 43 divided by 2 into 12 into R is 12 by 100. This is this 12 and this 12 cancel. This will be 21. Cut. Now we will multiply this. 10,206 equal to P into 42 plus P into, if we multiply 903 divided by 100. If we take common P, then P if we take common, then 42 plus 903 by 100 is equal to 10206. This is P 100, 4200 plus 903, 10206. This is if we'll add this, so 3 0 11 50 by this is P into P by equal to 10206. So P will be then 10206 into 100 divided by 5103. If we this will be by 2, so this will be 200. So answer will be then P equal to rupees 200. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.